Alright, I got my x-axis halfways complete. I can move the carriage. Here's my carriage. So I have this plate here is where my extrusion heads are going to be mounted to. I just have a 4 bolt hole pattern on that, and actually these two are going to be counterboard, as I've labeled them, and I need to get that counterboard yet so the heads of the screws sink into the material. I guess it would be these 4 holes, 2 in the center, 2 on the outside, and same thing on the other side, so I can have 2 printer extrusion heads if I want to. Getting down to the actual holding it in place, I got my rod down here, which is pulled from that larger commercial printer. So I got that just sticking in there and there. I got my aluminum piece to support them, and then I just have a screw that I'm using as a set screw. I'll have to cut this off and face it off here, but I'll get to that in a little while later. So then for the top, so it can't flop back and forth this way, I have a way to capture that. This side I have a V-grooved pulley, and then on this side, if I can get to that, this side I have a spring-loaded pulley, and it doesn't have any V-groove, it's just got a flat face on it. Now, I don't have anything to keep the plunger from rotating clockwise or counterclockwise, so I ended up putting this slot and a bearing, roller bearing there to support it so it can't move side to side. I'll need to tighten that up when time comes. But I have him, x-axis now is attached to my Uno that's controlled by my potentiometer, so we can just watch it go back and forth here. There, I hit the side. So it moves at a fairly decent rate. I haven't adjusted my stepping or anything like that, so I could be adjusting that, so micro step or not, I'm not sure what I have, if I have full step or half step. But anyways, that is the x-axis. The next step is these mounts here, right there, if I can get it. This mount and that mount will have to mount to this and to that, this side. So that's going to be my next project here. So, alright, thanks a lot for watching.